Welcome to Tampo, the smart and intuitive task management app built to help teams collaborate and stay productive. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the complete setup process in 7 steps. Step 1. Download the app. Start by downloading the Tampo app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store using the QR code on screen. Step 2. Sign up to Tampo. Once installed, launch the app. On the welcome screen, tap Login if you already have an account, or tap Sign Up. You can either enter your username, email, and a strong password, or continue with Google for quick access. Now, tap Sign Up. The setup takes just a few seconds. Step 3. Enable notifications. To stay updated with mentions, assigned tasks, and project updates, tap Allow Notifications, then confirm by selecting Allow. This ensures you never miss a critical update. Step 4. Create a project. You can create a new project either from the home screen by navigating to the project screen. Tap Add Project. Then, give your project a suitable name. Choose from over 30 unique icons to personalize it. I'm picking this one. Select a color. And finally, tap Create Project. Step 5. Invite team members. Inside your project, tap Invite. You have 3 ways to invite members. Copy link. Share directly. Share via WhatsApp, Gmail, or other apps. Add emails. Manually invite team members via email. Now, tap Send Invite. Step 6. Create and assign tasks. Go to your project. I'll select Expansion Plan. And tap Add Task. Enter the task name. Set the status, to do, in progress, done, etc. Or you can create custom statuses. Set priority based on urgency. Assign the task to a team member. Select a due date and time for timely tracking. Tap Advanced Options to add a description or voice note, attach documents or media files. When everything's set, tap Add Task. Step 7. Collaborate on tasks. Tap on any task to open it. In the Comments panel, you can write messages, send voice notes, discuss, and collaborate in real time. Tap the 3 dots for more options like edit, delete, like, reply, or copy. And that's it. You've now successfully set up Tampo for your team. Download Tampo today. Stay productive. Stay in sync. Tampo. Manage. Assign. Collaborate.